Morning. In this video, I'm going to make a demo of an Azure durable function that extracts and stores metadata of images that have been uploaded into a storage account container. So the purpose of this project is to build a pipeline that is able to extract metadata of images that have been uploaded into a container of a storage account, and once those metadata are extracted, are then stored into an Azure SQL database. So the architecture of the solution is that it's made of different components. So let me go into the Azure portal. So the major components of the solution are the storage account. So this is the storage account that will be where the images will be uploaded. We also have the Azure function where the durable function is deployed. And after that, we have an SQL server that has an SQL database where the metadata will be stored. A quick walkthrough into the durable function. So the durable function, it has these different components. So the image metadata pipeline has a blob trigger client. This function is the one that will start the orchestrator. So this one will be triggered whenever there is an image that is uploaded into the storage account, and this will start the orchestrator, and the orchestrator is going to define the workflow of how the different activities of extracting and storing metadata are going to be conducted. So this orchestrator function is the one that is responsible of calling the extract metadata activity and also calling the store metadata activity to store the extracted metadata into the SQL database. So now let me make a demo of the durable function. So let's go to the storage account. You can navigate to the storage account and then go to the container. So this is the images input container. This is where the images will be uploaded. Let's upload one image. We can upload a simple image. Let's upload this one. So once the image is uploaded, it's processed by the durable function. The orchestrator is going to call the extract metadata function as well as the store metadata function, and then it will eventually store the data into the SQL database. So we can navigate back to the database and then connect to the database, and then go to the query editor, and we need to provide the password. And then navigate to the tables, and once you select the number of rows, you can see that this image that we have just uploaded has been the details, the metadata of this image have been stored into the database. So a quick walkthrough into the code. As you can see, there are different functions. So the first function, blob trigger client, it's going to be triggered whenever there is a new blob that is uploaded into the images input container, and it's going to start the orchestrator, and the orchestrator, which is here, the orchestrator is going to define the workflow of processing the metadata, which means that it's going to define how the different activities will be called sequentially. It's going to receive the input from the client, and once it's received it, it's going to pass it to the extract metadata, and upon completing the extract metadata, the metadata that are returned are going to be passed to the store metadata function, so that they could be stored into the SQL database. Thank you. Have a good day.